Hey, what's up guys? Alex from Superwrap here. Today we're going to teach you guys how to properly maintain your Superwrap finish. We've got the M2 in the shop. It's completely filthy, so we're going to clean up the wheels and show you just how to get it done. So before you get started on maintaining your Superwrap finish, there's a few things to note. When it comes to automatic car washes, be careful. Some automatic car washes use lower grade soaps, which can be harmful to your Superwrap finish. If you are going to use a pressure washer, we highly suggest not using a narrow tip, so a 0-degree tip is definitely something to stay away from because that can come again and damage your finish. And lastly, before maintaining your wheels, make sure that the wheels are completely cured. So that's a 5-day wait period before being able to come and clean those wheels. So just be patient. If you've just applied your product, give it a few more days so your product's nice and cured, and then you can start doing the maintenance process. That's about it. So when it comes to maintaining your Superwrap finish, there are some products that you want to stay away from. Those would be the high abrasive products and the high acid products. Those products are either chemically incompatible with our product or will end up damaging the finish over time. So we suggest basically any low acid wheel cleaner will do the trick. We actually have our own, so the Superwrap wheel cleaner, which we just released, just perfectly formulated to give you the highest gloss end result and won't damage the finish over time. When it comes to any wheel cleaner, it's very important to read the back of the label for the instructions, and for most wheel cleaners, the first step is to give them a first rinse. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So next step, we're gonna go ahead and apply the wheel cleaner onto the wheel and let it sit for about a minute. "60 seconds has gone by. The next step is to rinse this off, and we're gonna give it a final wipe down. Should be good to go. Last step, grab a microfiber and wipe it down. So there you have it. The wheels are nice and clean. They look perfect as if we just sprayed the product onto them. Again, I can't stress this enough. Be careful when choosing your wheel cleaner or your wheel cleaning product. Avoid household products like Dawn. Those are very dangerous for the surface. If you have any other questions about maintaining your wheels, contact our support team. They're always willing and able to help out. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated on more tips and tricks when using Superwrap products. See you next time.